children, from this video we are going to learn principle of inheritance new lesson. Before entering into the lesson, you have to learn some of the basic concepts. Shall we start now? What is genetics? Genetics is the science of heredity. Genetic explains how genes bring about characters in living organisms and how those characters are transmitted from parents to their offsprings. Genetics is at the center of all biology because the gene activity underlies all biological process. Remember, genes are discrete units of genetic information consisting of a specific nucleotide sequence in a DNA. Simply we can say cell contain nucleus, nucleus contain chromosome contain DNA. A stretch of DNA is called as gene which play a vital role in all living organisms. Each gene has the instruction for one small part of you. For example, there is a gene that describes whether your hair is black color or brown color. நம்ம பாடி பார்ட்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒவ்வொரு இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷனுமே யாரால மேக்கப் ஆகுது? ஜீன். Human gets 2 copies of every gene, 1 copy from each parent. That 2 copies do not have to be identical. Each variation of a gene is called allele. Alternative form of gene is called as allele. For example, if a gene contains information for eye color, one allele might code for blue eye, another might code for brown eyes. So alleles create diversity. Allele creates diversity. So what is allele? Allele is actually a alternative form of gene. What is allele? Alternative form of gene is called it as allele. Yes, what are alleles? For every gene, you can have 2 of the same allele. For example, the allele may be a recessive, or you can have 2 different alleles. One is recessive and one is dominant. A recessive allele will only produce a phenotype. What is phenotype? The expression or expressive character is called it as phenotype. Genotype, genetical makeup. Phenotype, the expression of genetical makeup is called it as phenotype. ஜீனோட பண்பு ஜீனோடைப், அது வெளிப்படுத்தக்கூடிய வெளிப்பண்பு phenotype அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So a recessive allele will only produce a phenotype. If there is no dominant allele present, recessive allele தன்னோட பண்பை எப்ப வெளிப்படுத்தும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இன்னொரு recessive alleleோட சேர்ந்து இருக்கும்போது. இப்ப recessive alleleம் dominant alleleம் சேர்ந்து இருந்தா dominant allele தான் தன்னோட பண்பை வெளிப்படுத்தும். இந்த recessive alleleோட பண்பை ஒடுக்கிடும். Got it? புரிஞ்சுதா? A recessive allele will only produce a phenotype if there is no dominant allele. In other words, you need 2 copies of the recessive allele in order to have the triad that it codes for. அப்ப அந்த பண்பு வெளிப்படணும்னா 2 recessive alleles சேர்ந்து இருந்தாதான் அந்த பண்புக்கான தோற்றம் வரும். Recessive alleles are symbolized by lower cases letter. What about the dominant allele? Dominant alleles are symbolized by uppercase letters. Got it? So principle of dominance. Some alleles are dominant, others are recessive. Dominant alleles, the triad is always shown in capital letter. For example, if the plant is tall, அதை நம்ம எப்படி எதில் கோட் பண்ணுவோம்னா capital T, tallness. Recessive allele, the triad, அந்த பண்பு characters தான் நம்ம triad சொல்றோம். The triad that will only show if there is no dominant allele. So the lower case, இப்போ அந்த plant ஷார்ட்டா இருக்கு, அப்ப அதை கோட் பண்றதுக்கு small t. Got it? Heterozygous, organism that have 2 different alleles for the same triad. ஸோ ஹைபிரிட் வெரைட்டி அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் கேபிட்டல் டி ஸ்மால் டி, இது டாமினண்ட்டுக்கான அலீல், இது ரிசசிவ்க்கான அலீல். ஸோ டாமினண்ட் அலீல் இருக்கிறதுனால அந்த ரிசசிவ் அலீல் மாஸ்ட் ஆகிடும், ஹிடன் ஆகிடும், மறைஞ்சிரும். அப்போ யாரோட பண்பு ஓங்கி இருக்கும்? டாமினண்ட். ஹோமோசைகஸ், organism that have two identical alleles for a particular triad, true breeding. For a particular triad in the sense capital T, tallness, small t, dwarf. That is homozygous condition. Genotype, the genetical composition of an individual is called as genotype. Homozygous, containing a pair of the same allele. It can be a homozygous recessive. Homozygous recessive means small t or small b. Homozygous dominant, two dominant alleles will be there. Example, capital T or capital B. Heterozygous, the word hetero means different, containing two different alleles. Capital B, small b or else capital T, small t. புரிஞ்சுதா? Homozygous containing a pair of the same alleles can be homozygous recessive, homozygous dominant. Homozygous recessive means small b இருக்கலாம் or small t இருக்கலாம், எப்படி வேணா சொல்லலாம். Homozygous dominant means capital upper case யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், capital T or capital B. Heterozygous containing two different alleles, that is one is dominant, one is recessive. Yes. Next, dominant versus recessive. A dominant allele is expressed even if it is paired with a recessive allele. For example, see, brown color is coded by capital B. So capital B irundha, that will be a brown cat, right? Grey cat. The allele is small b. இப்ப brown color cat வரணும்னா இப்ப capital B condition இருந்தாலும் that will be a brown cat. Capital B small b இருந்தாலும் brown cat. ஏனா dominant allele suppress என்ன பண்ணி விட்டுடும், இந்த small allele-ஆன b ய ஒடுக்கிடும். அப்ப யாரோட பண்பு ஓங்கி இருக்கும்? capital B. So the dominant allele is expressed even it is paired with a recessive allele. A recessive allele is only visible. இந்த gray color எப்ப visible ஆகும் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா with another recessive allele paired with that. So ரெண்டு recessive allele இருந்தாதான் தன்னோட phenotypic character வெளிப்படுத்தும். Yes. What is genotype? What is phenotype? The complete genetic makeup of an organism is called genotype. The physical expression of the genotype is called it as phenotype. ஜீனோட பண்பை ஜினோடைப் நோ, அந்த ஜினோடைப் வெளிப்படுத்தக்கூடிய பண்பை phenotype, வெளிப்புற பண்பை phenotype அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Right? Shall we recap it? Dominant, the triad is expressed in the capital letter B. Recessive, the triad is masked or hidden, ஒடுக்கப்படுது, lower case. Heterozygote, one dominant allele, one recessive allele called hybrids or carriers. One dominant allele, one recessive allele. The hybrid offspring that are result of two genetically different parents, like this. Capital B, small b. The offspring will be in the form of heterozygous. Got it? Homozygous, two identical alleles called true breeding. Capital B or small b. So the pure breed, offspring that are result of two genetically similar parents. Phenotype, physical characteristic feature or triad. Genotype, genetic makeup of the chromosome itself. ஜீனோட பண்பை ஜினோடைப், அந்த ஜினோடைப் வெளிப்படுத்தக்கூடிய physical characteristic, அதாவது வெளிப்புற பண்பை நம்ம phenotype அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Multiple alleles. Definition, more than two allele is called it as multiple allele. More than two alleles exist in a population, not an individual. ஒரு பாப்புலேஷன்ல எத்தனை allele இருந்தாலும் ஒரு இண்டிவிஜுவல்ல அது ரெண்டு allele மட்டும் தான் வச்சிருக்கும். ரைட்? கீ கான்செப்ட் பாருங்க. மல்டிபிள் alleles is when more than two alleles can code for a gene. What is multiple allele? Multiple alleles is when more than two alleles can code for a gene. ஒரு ஜீனுக்கு ஒன்றுக்கு மேற்பட்ட அலீல்கள் இருந்தா அதை மல்டிபிள் அலீல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Several alleles can be present for the gene locus. Only 2 carried at a time. Okay? ஒரு இண்டிவிஜுவல்ல only 2 are carried at a time. Population எத்தனை இருந்தாலும் ஒரு இண்டிவிஜுவல்ல only 2 are carried at a time. Very good example. Human blood type is a good example. A blood group, B blood group, A, B, O. No matter how many alleles for a given gene in a population, a diploid individual, it is from father, it is from mother, imagine. A diploid individual will only have 2 alleles. அவங்களோட locusல, locus means location, gene location. One on each homologous chromosomeல இருக்கும். Got it? எத்தனை allele இருந்தாலும் அந்த populationல ஒரு இண்டிவிஜுவல்ல they have only 2 alleles, one on each homologous chromosome. Got it? Mendel's work suggested that just 2 alleles existed for each gene. Today we know that not always or even usually the case, although individual human and all diploid organisms can only have 2 alleles for given a gene. Multiple allele may exist in a population level and different individuals in the population may have different pair of this allele. A blood group person have A antigen. B blood group person have B antigen. AB blood group person have AB antigen. O blood group person don't have any antigen. Instead of that, they have X substances. We'll see briefly with the help of next video. Thank you, children.